Hi guys, welcome to another video of BPrep. In this video, we are going to solve a 2D geometry question which appeared in CAT paper last year. Let's move to the question. In a circle of radius 11 cm, CD is a diameter and AB is a chord of length 20.5 cm. If AB and CD intersect at a point E inside the circle and CE has a length 7 cm, so we have a circle. Let's say this is the circle and CD is a diameter. So let's say C and D. This is the diameter of the circle. And AB is a chord of length 20.5 centimeter. If AB and CD intersect at point E, so there is a chord also. Let's say this chord is given as AB and they intersect at a point E. Inside the circle and CE has a length 7 centimeter. So length of CE is given. Okay, this is 7 centimeter. Okay. Then the difference of lengths of BE and AE. So we need to find out the difference of length BE and AE in this case. Okay. So the radius of the circle. So let's say this is the center and radius of the circle is given as 11. So CE cannot be 7. We should do it like this. So let's say this is C and this is D. Okay. Then this will be 7 centimeter. And as radius is 11, this portion will be 4. Let's say this is O. So OE will be 4, EC will be 7, and OD is 11. Okay. So this diameter is given, and the entire length of AB is given. So we need to find out the difference between AE and EB. So if we join any two points AD or BC, so let's say we join AD, okay, and BC. So because this quadrilateral again is a cyclic quadrilateral, so inside this diagonals will make these two triangles similar. So how they will be similar? First, these two angles are same. So let's say angle 1 and 1, they will be same. And if you consider AC, so AC is making some angle here at B. Let's say this angle is 2. The same arc AC will make same angle here as well. So angle D will also be 2 in this case. And again if you consider BD arc is subtending some angle here. So let's say this is 3 and BD will subtend same angle here. So this angle will also be 3. Okay. So these two triangles E, B and C will be similar to E, D and A. Okay. These two triangles will be similar. And if the triangles are similar, the ratio of their sides will be same. So from this we can write ED or EB, let's say. So EB by EC is equals to ED by AE. Okay, because these two triangles are similar. So now EB we don't know. So for sake, let's say this EB is X. So X by EC, we know it's 7. ED is 11 plus 4, 15. Okay. And again AE, we don't know AE, but because AB is 20.5 and EB we have assumed X. So AE will be 20.5 minus X. Okay. Now if you solve this question, if you solve this equation, it will be a quadratic equation. So it will be like minus x square plus 20.5x equals to 105. So now we get a quadratic equation. You can either use the direct formula to find out root of this equation, that is minus b plus minus root, that formula, or else it looks very simple. So if you break up this 20.5 to get a sum of 20.5 and the factors of 105, we can rewrite this equation as x minus 10 into x minus 10.5. Okay, so 10 and 10.5 will make 20.5 and the multiplication will give us 105 equals to 0. So value of x can be either 10 or 10.5. Okay, now if you take 10 and because AB is 20.5, so either way we will get the value of 10 and 10.5. So the difference will be, so or EB, if EB is let's say we choose 10, then AE will be 20.5 minus 10, or this is 10.5. So no matter what you choose, is gonna be same. So the difference between AE and AB will always be 0.5. Okay. If you have any questions or doubts, please post in comments, and guys, please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification about the latest videos. Thank you for watching this.